Hello, it's Teddy from Teddy's Curious Club. Today we're going to review about our Crybaby Vacation Mode on. We got this from Pop Mart and I wanted to share it with you today. The one with the black hair, she has a little bowl of hair with a bow and she has her bathers on. That means she's going to go to the beach soon. And it's called My Summer Vibe. And there's a one with a pink hat and pink bathers, and she has curly blonde hair, and her one is Full Sail. And this one with pink hair is called Let's Surf. She has also a surfboard. And the final one has bathers, a plait, and a flower. And it's called Chilling on the Beach. And the other one with curly blonde hair, and she has some red flower glasses, and she has stripy blue bathers, and it's called sunbathing. And the final one, the second final one, has sort of brown hair, light skin, and she has bathers on and some flippers. And it's called Glug Glug. I don't know why it's so weird. It's the most weirdest one. And the final one, it's apparently to be the biggest one. It's the secret one. It's 1 to 72. It's really rare to get. Okay, let's open it and we're going to show you what I have. The first one I got is called Let's Surf. This is Let's Surf Crybaby. It's the one with purple hair and a surfboard. The second one I got is called Chilling on the Beach. It's the one that has blonde hair and blue bathers with white too. It's coming with this foam to protect his hair. Now I'm going to take it off. It has real hairbands, and that's quite funny. See you for the next video. I hope you'll see my other videos. See you soon. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for your support.